Boost your team's well-being and creativity with ArtsCare's bespoke staff well-being services. Whether encouraging staff back into the office or enhancing team cohesion, our workshops are tailored to meet your specific needs. From strategic planning sessions to creative away days, our range of activities are designed to spark creativity and solve workplace challenges. Imagine transforming your workplace environment with our art. Collaborate on murals or create personal artworks to carry home. Boost communication and relieve stress through the expressive power of music and dance, tailored to energise and unite your team. Enhance team spirit and mental well-being with our creative writing and poetry sessions, where staff can express themselves and build connections through the power of words. Ready to revitalise your team's spirit and well-being? Contact ArtsCare today and let's make your workplace a hub of health and creativity. ArtsCare, energising teams, transforming workplaces. Join us to make every day a masterpiece.